Let's look at the clipping layer. Clipping means rendering only part of the image as a mask. If you open a PSD file and create a character, the clipping will be set automatically according to the settings of the original file. Clipping can be done by pressing the clipping button. Let's test the clipping by selecting another image. You can also turn clipping on and off in the Mesh Settings UI on the right. Here you can determine the resolution of the clipping mask. Change the mask texture size to see what the difference is. Let's set the mask size to 64 and check. If you run it in the game, you can see that the mask border is not clean. Conversely, let's set the size of the mask to 1024, which is the largest in the list. You can see very nice clipped images in the game. The higher the clipping mask resolution, the larger the rendering load may be, depending on the device. It is recommended that you set the appropriate size.